to my yo. We're funky. We funky up in here. All right. So where we left this off, we were looking at some code. Specifically, we were looking at this code. And what I wanted to do was finish that this dynamic page thing. So visually, I think it looks okay, but we need to get it so that literally why does anyone care about that? We need to get this like actually functioning. I don't know why that's a problem. Okay. TR cannot appear as child of table. Okay. We're starting to get some problems with our editor. Too much JavaScript. Amazing. All right. Protobuf. We also got a table in here. Come on. On press. It's one of these. There we go. No more errors. One more error. Message field. Got a table somewhere. Another table. T-body. There we go. Okay, we got a couple of things. Okay. So I went down the rabbit hole of music stuff, and there's a really cool scene, like coding music. Tidal Cycles has kind of been the winner. I was looking at Chuck for a little bit. It's like okay. It's mainly been like one guy, it looks like. There's some other ones. This also is like done by one guy. It's like Ruby and stuff. It's like okay. But I've been really wanting to learn Haskell, like digging deeper on it. And this is all Haskell, and so like I don't know. That's just kind of the winner right now. I don't know. I don't know. I'll get deeper on it in a time. Maybe gotta I don't know. Is this a book? Wow, this is a very lofty introduction. It's quite interesting. I love lofty language. It will change the way that you program. You will forever be changed. Our life will never be the same because of Haskell. It's not bad. I wouldn't mind my life being changed by a programming language. Go's done that. I need to like merge Go and Haskell. All right, we're lost. Okay, get back on track. Okay, we're trying to get this thing to work. Question: what do we want to do? What's going on here? What do we want to do? Work on the form. The question is, do we work on this like enable disable thing? I mean, sure, why not? Gonna need to do that. I also am going to need to do figure out that bug where message set to array. So maybe I want to do the array thing because that's a pretty bad bug. So if I just say save here, what happens? We got data. Data has base 64. That needs to be unset. Set current field. Let's print it out. Let's print it out. Console.log f.name changing to. We load that. We should get changing to Twitter, changing to base 64. We need to unset what this form is. So move. Control Okay. Set current field. So that sets what message we're currently looking at. We got format field. So if we switch away from this, we want to see, this will have base64 and Twitter set. Twitter should not be an array. Base64 is fine to be set, but if we change it to there and we say that, base64 is still going to be set, which it should not be. It becomes set because field value. We need to unset React hook form unset value. Reset field. Okay, so we need to unset it or reset it. In order to achieve that, something needs to happen. I need to have my origami view. That's webcam. Phone. How do we connect this? Continuity camera. It says that it's on. All right. All right. Now. Nope. Still doesn't want to work. Turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. I think those are both on. Bluetooth on. I think everything's updated. Oh, there you go. Off and on. Classic. All right, now we got Origami Cam. Let's go. Ah. Test, test. Test, test. Test, test. All right, now we're back. Test, test. There we go. Now we're back. Cool. And we can switch between these two things. I got a Stream Deck, but it seems to suck a little too much energy for the USB thing. I don't know. So the whole point of Origami Time is to take a break from anything that you could be bothered with in life, and you're just focused on folding this shape, because why not? It's a shape. Look at this. I'm folding and I'm folding more. And I got that snivel ASMR going on. How relaxing is that? Do streamers, like, if they like they're like sick, do they go on the stream and just do that? Just like sneeze into the mic? Oh, look at this. Look at this butchered crane. The geometry's off. We've violated the intricate math, which are with our imperfect human fingies. What I like to do when this happens is you just kind of like smush the head, just like press it in, just really get it in there. I got the tail. And yeah, there you go. There's a crane. We should have a crane counter. I need a crane counter. So there you go. There's a crane. Origami Time. Origami Time done. Back to code. We're code slaves and we make origami sometimes. All right. We're still trying to figure out how to reset that value. So if we want to reset that, it's really managed from this component, which we call into. We got like input form contents that comes from input props, or input props gets sent into there. We could see we'll just print that out. Print it out. What do we got? Base field name. Because I think we could say reset fields here. So we go to the root where we do our, we got to use form in here somewhere. The hell does it come from? We got to use form somewhere. Register, use form. Reset fields. So the current plan, we're going to pass this through reset field, and so whatever. Reset field. That gets passed into there. We got a problem though. What's the type? Reset field. Could we do any? Just do this. Any. Yeah, no more problems. And then we just access that when we switch between it. And I think that's passed in. So when we click away on that radio, we got those radios in here. So when we click away, we will say reset, or we need to access that. Props. We get stuff from props. We'll say we got our reset field right here now. So now we're going to say reset field. And then, oh, I can't see. Origami cam's in the way. Test, talking. Is this in the way? Test. No, I think that's fine. We can still talk normally. Okay, cool. All right, base field name, field path. I think we want, yeah, base field name. If base field name, then we reset it. Okay. And then, so we should unset it. So I click base64 here. I'm clicking Twitter. We should not see base64 appear in this data now. We don't see it. We don't see anything, actually. Is that okay? Save. Yeah, that's fine. Now see, Twitter should not be an array though. Why is Twitter being set to an array class? I don't know. You tell me. Oh, wait. No one can tell me because no one's here. Phenomenal. I'm just talking into the ether. I don't know. I guess someone will watch this at some point. Maybe. Someone comes across. Alright. Oh, that is... These glasses are really annoying. Okay, so we got the reset field. That is okay. And just verify. We click on Caesar, base 64. And like, we put in some data in there. That's way too noisy. Where is that coming from? Get rid of that. We don't want that. We don't want that. Tell him. Okay, put some stuff in there. Save. We should just see data Caesar. And we'll have some data validation. And actually, what we also want inside of here is generate graph nodes Caesar. Yeah, we got that int32. int32. Name. We got f dot type dot toString. Is that a thing? 11? No, I don't want 11. I want the name. Okay, we'll just do it. We'll just say ChatGPT. Write me a chat or write me a TypeScript function that takes the following. Enum TypeScript enum, or just following enum, and turns it into a record, into a lookup to go from number to string. We don't even code anymore. It's just ChatGPT. Why are you coding? It's 2023. Why are we even coding? We just send stuff into ChatGPT. Dude, Sam Altman is the man. It was the man, is the man. I'm still confused if he's actually running. I think it landed up to be the case. Yeah, we'll just do this dynamically. Why not? I like that. I'm not against it. And then we take that guy. Let's go. And then we'll just do that. Yeah, why not? Why not? Import. Type lookup. Type lookup. Type lookup. Nope. No, I know. I know that you're fine with this. Oh, 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 oh. If that type and that. Sure. Sure. Oh. We don't got nothing. I don't believe that though. We are overloading something here. We'll say FD on that. I don't think that's going to change anything, but I know that you want to. Because I know that that's a number. Because if we just do that, it should show up. Yeah, so we know that those exist. So we got a problem with our type lookup. Aha! That is not right. The lookup should go from a number to a string representation of the type, not whatever you did. Like I was surprised by this because this doesn't make any sense. Okay, so let's actually look at this. So enum object any. Oh yeah, right, because key. If not, what is this even gonna do? That's not right. I don't think so. Yeah, that's not right. No, Chat GPT. I want you to make a lookup in the form 1 maps to double. Understood. To create a lookup object in TypeScript, where the key is the numeric value of the enum and the value is the corresponding lowercase string representation of the enum name, you can modify the function like this. Yeah, you have to do this bullshit. The key of type of. Amazing. I'm enthralled. What an amazing type system. There we go. Message. User. We're going to move this to util. 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 We love util. Util new file proto.ts. And we'll stick that in there. We're doing this. Actually, we don't need that. We just need to export type lookup. Because there's somewhere else that we want this. Gotta export that. Gotta export it. Don't forget. So There's another place that we have this. Not there. Strong. No, it's going to be in this one. Yeah. Why don't we just call it F? What's the problem with F? Uh-oh. Oh, that's not right. Formatted fields. Oh. Oh, I see. How does this code even work? Well, we'll do, I guess this, like field type. Field type is of type that. Field type. I guess, or undefined. Whatever. Okay. Field type. Now that's happy. And then field that type. There you go. Now we should get the names. Message. I'm not sure that that's really helpful. I think we can, maybe we just, do that for now. Just comment it out. It's not really helping anyone. Oh, I see, because it won't show up on there. Yeah. So that's like a mild bug. That's fine though. And It's interesting. Okay, so now we need to investigate this mysterious array business. So we got the Twitter thing that's set to an array, but it should not be an array because it's just a message. So that make no sense. How to not have problem. How to not have problem. That's the question. So if that's being set as an array.
Hi, Velvet. This is LaShawn. Your mom told me that you made your way back to the Lord. Hallelujah. The Lord wants you to pick me up on the way to the party.
The Lord wants the Lord wants you to pick me up on the way to the party. It's sick. Okay. All right. Well, okay, so we can start with wherever append is. So append's there. So when we click on append, we run this function append. So use. So let's see what we got for base field name. So what's that? So it's data Twitter. So we do that. So we're going in between those. So I think it's being like over. Form fields, map over those. So that Twitter thing's coming from here. I want to know when data.twitter. So when I see that, panel contents. This is I'm not a huge fan of this code. This is a little fucked, to be honest. But whatever. Data Twitter. Okay, so when I'm looking at data Twitter, when that's being rendered, because that's rendered 3 times, users rendered 3 times, it's being like, we got an array going in there when it really should just be the array element. So we're getting like this append that's happening, but on the wrong thing. fields. Message fields gets included there. So that's where formatted fields. So I think this should be where users is, right? Fields. All right. Well, we can print out the fields. Field dot name. Yeah. So let's see what field we got. So we're on Twitter. Users. Append. Users. Field is users, and then the base field name is data.twitter. I see. Okay, and then we got data.twitter at 0 is users, but it should be the opposite way around. Should be data.twitter users at 0, which is currently not the case. So that's fucked. We need to unfuck that. To unfuck that, you need to switch something around. Now, what is the thing that you switch around? Where's that? Oh, number. We have like some string thing happening somewhere. You like something gets stringed. If we got like a type, this thing. Nope. Like index, yeah, that needs to be not that. Is it literally just that? Does this solve our problem? Twitter. Append. Now we got that. And then save. Oh, nope. That's... Oh. What? Where is that 0 coming from? Well, that's closer. But we still got that Twitter 0. That's a weird one. Okay. Get field name. Index. Field for name. Well, so we're getting like an array addition. Okay, that should not be an array. Um. Feel that field. I feel like it's got to do something with this. Man, this code's confusing. Type. Where's the array thing? Is it? It's got to be in the messaging field. Change append, append. Okay, let's only print out when we got that going on. How about that? Te quiero mucho. Well, I don't like that. Because what that means is that these are... Wait, no, that should be fine. Maybe? No, because the base name, that's wrong. Base field name should be base field name. And the field, which is data.twitter.post, and it's not getting that. So props, let's trace it back to the source. We got props coming from, that's just being passed through, which is problematic because we need to update the base field name. So that comes from that base field form name. Yeah, what if we just what if we do this? Base field name is dot f.name. Beautiful. Why not? Huh? That looks more right to me. It also got like the fact that it's in challenge, which I hadn't even considered. Hi, puppy. Save. Yeah, there we go. There we go. There we go. That looks right. Oh, no. Close. Our house of cards are still not quite intact, but I think we can remediate that situation. I don't think I can just do that. Get field name. All right. Well, if we trace this through, got input form get field name, we do that. Okay, let's validate what we're getting here then. And comment that out. So we're there. We're there. No, incorrect. That's certainly not right. What's the problem that we are seeing here? Oh no, is this gonna get, we're gonna get DMCA'd because we got a section of... Oh. Oof. That's freaking sick. Man, these people are incredible. How did they do that? So they got a loop going on. And then they're turning some knobs. And then they just exit the loop. It's freaking sick. What a good transition. Okay, so we're close. We're certainly close. We got twitter.users.users. We just want twitter.users. So I think this is where that little hack has come to bite us in the butt. Because if we look at where this is... the hell was that? So I don't think that's necessarily wrong. Because we're just taking that. So the problem is inside of... So if that's okay there, now the problem's in message fields. Because message field is going to use the base field name. And then that gets passed in... Oh god. We like forward that along input props. We forward that along. So now we're in here. And then base field name is going to be whatever we had set it to. And then inside of here, this is where I think we just get rid of I think that's what we do here. That is closer. But we still got that. They got an ID there, which is kind of funny. That looks right. Yeah, all those things are arrays. Those should not be arrays. Can you do like a how to modify a song so YouTube doesn't recognize it? Like, can you just speed it up? Oh my god. Core has amazing answers. How to avoid copyright claims. Can you just like speed it up or something? Whatever. All right, so we're closer, but we still are getting this index applied. Is this the only place that get field name is being used? Yes, it is. So that means this is getting called. So we have base field name. Let's see what we got here. So we got that, bada bing, bada boom. So our field for name is getting that because index is set. Why is index still set? Okay, so index is actually just undefined there. Oh, interesting. So let's not extend. Actually, we want to just compose this. So we're gonna do that. Then we're going to get some problems because we're gonna get do 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 do. Do 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 do. And we'll unpack these guys from there. And then that's cool. So we forward that along, and now wherever this is being called is going to have a problem. Because input form props becomes that. And actually we want to decompose props. And then come on. Yeah, there you go. Now that's happy. Got another place where that's called. Oh, that's fine. For sure this is gonna have a problem with copyright. For sure. Damn. Why is that so annoying? Okay, let's see if we got it this time. All right, so we got, well, those should not be arrays. those aren't arrays anymore. What the hell happened there? Why is... Flag should not be an array. Why do I feel like I've like messed something else up? The code feels like it's like in a better... I still don't have like the enums figured out. Okay, so we're in our entry point, which should be there. We have these fields and then a message field. Format field. So let's see, we should have, we should see flag. So we just save. All of those are arrays. Why do those start out as arrays? I haven't even clicked on anything, so that must not be the form thing. That must be whatever the original value of this shit is being set to. So what is it? What if I don't even touch anything? Those are all arrays. Why are those arrays? Okay, well, we do register some fields. That does happen. Right? Don't we do that somewhere in here? Panel contents. This is insane. Use watch. Default value. There's no type. It should just be a string input. Field value. What if we print out? Okay, what do we got? Where are we looking at? Okay. And click save. Why are they arrays? It says string. Register field form name. Some weird mystery nonsense. I don't like it. What if we set the default value data to be a new challenge to JSON. What if we do that and then we click save data? Still all... What does this look like? All right. Well, that's not very helpful. Come on, editor. We'll stick that. We'll keep it like that. You got a problem. What's the problem? All right. Well, whatever. Didn't I have this problem over here? We had studio source components, simple form, input simple. Well, on submit. Let's give her a go. Let's see if we did the thing. On submit. We got our form. That should work. So we should run our on submit. Yeah, right, of course. New challenge or challenge dot from JSON. Should look something like that. JSON data. Okay, we save it. Of course, key ID is unknown. Okay, well, that's phenomenal. If the data.id is equal to that guy, do we get a different error if we do that? Key ID is unknown for challenge because it's not a challenge that we're building. It's actually a node. It is a node. That would explain it. And node comes from node. So save it. Yeah, it should not be an array. I swear that yeah, the fix. This is ridiculous. That is silly. Yeah, so we say fix data. Okay, that's so silly. Yeah, because what if we set the default? We said ID is that, name is that, flag is that, and then challenge is that. Or yeah, what if we did new node to JSON? To JSON. Or that. And then is that? Nope. Okay. Okay, that's silly. Why is that the case? This is insanity. If type of D is an object, or d.id. d.id is equal to dot. And then this is insanity. Okay, we'll do that. Uh, I think yeah, I just want to do just unset it. There we go. And then we do all right. Well, I'm pretty happy with this. We're pretty close. We got it to decode. So catch y'all in the next one. I'm outie.